So live mo to ngayon? Ito na yung nag-play. Sa live lang naman po. So pag sinindot ko to, okay na siya.
Sound. Hello. Good morning.
Gab Skills versus Armor On XJBC.
Alright, good morning everyone sa lahat po ng mga nanonood sa atin ngayon sa ating mga social media and streaming. This is the NBL Philippines Lap ng Week 8
25 Sun. Magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat.
And today we are witnessing the game between Gab Skills and Armor On XJBC. Lim, as you can see, tatapos lamang po ng ating jump ball and we've already officially started the game. Umpisa pa lang ho ng laro ay ang bilis na ng action ngayon mga ka-NBL, no? Alright. And out of bounds. Right. Alright. Takes a shot, no good. And bola na po ng Armor On XJBC. And out of bounds, bola naman ho ngayon ng bola pa rin ng Gab. At inabutan nun sila ng ating 24-second shot clock. Bola na po ngayon ng Armoron X JBC. And of course, for Armoron X JBC, first five ho natin. Makapinlak, jersey number 28, jersey number 17, Tabukal, jersey number 10, Manalang, jersey number 9, or jersey number 21 is Martin. And jersey number 9, we have Azir. Ayan. So again, jersey number 9, Aziz, no? Of course, for Gab skills, we have number 4, Makasyog. Number 12, Bautista. Number 14, Lim. Number 25, Gabriel. And number 8, Arceo. And out of bounds. All right. Bautista. All right. Timeout, JBC.
Sisigaw ko sa mundo, ako ay kabataang Pilipino, handang pakita sa mundo, sasabay ako at hindi susi. NBL Youth, NBL Youth.
All right, we're back. And ball stolen. Rebounded by Martin. Nice. Blocking foul. Ayan, oh, Martin with the ball. Pinasa kay Tabukal. Tabukal drives. Stolen by Bautista. Nako, nakuha ulit. At nakuha ulit. Gabriel, jersey number 25, scores. Ayan, of course, first point of the game, jersey number 4, Makasyog. All right. And timeout by Gab Skills. Alright everyone, we're back. At ngayon nga po ang score ay 0-2. Gab Skills 2, JBC Armor 0. First point of the game, number 4. Jersey number 4 for Gab Skills. Si Makasyog. Uy, what a crossover by jersey number 17, Tabukal. Martin rebounds, tries to shoot, no good. Bola po, pinasa ngayon. Gab Skills, fumbling, and traveling. Ayan, no? Martin, jersey number 21. Medyo naaalala ko yung kabataan ko sa kanya. Ganyan na ganyan nga. Alright. Ako. And there's a foul. Jersey number 8, foul. Arceo.
First personal.
First personal, second team foul. And inbound, stolen by jersey number 14, Lim. Kaso hindi natin na, medyo hindi na sustain. So balik ang bola sa PBC Armor. Alright. Yun! Stolen again by Gab Skills. Rebound by jersey number 4, Makasyog. Jersey number 12 tries to shoot. No good. And yan, bola na po ng JBC Armor. And ayun, medyo stepping on the line ng JBC. So change possession tayo. At nakuha pa rin to ng JBC. Ayan, no? Alright, 25. Medyo napalibutan ng mga JBC Armor. Si jersey number 25, Gabriel ng Gab Skills. At eto na nga, bola na ho ulit ng JBC. Binigay kay Martin, jersey number 21. Inbounded by, of course, jersey number 17, Tabukal. Balik kay Tabukal ang bola. Tries to shoot. No good. Rebounded by 28. Wow. Alright. May point na po ang JBC Armor courtesy of jersey number 9, Aziz. Lim gets the no good shot. Goes to number 12. And okay, nice hustle. Bola po ng Gab Skills. First 3 attempt. And that's it for the first quarter of the game.
Isisigaw ko sa mundo, ako ay kabataang Pilipino, handang pakita sa mundo. Sasabay ako at hindi susuko.
Alright everyone, sa lahat ng mga nanonood sa atin sa ating live stream, we are now at the second quarter um, ng laban between Gab Skills and Armor on JBC. We are locked at 2 points each. Alright, that was jersey number 6, Taniedo, for the score. So ang score ho natin ngayon, Gab Skills 4, JBC Armor 2. And traveling po si jersey number 7, Padilla ng JBC Armor. Ayan, at thank you very much ho sa lahat ng mga nanonood sa atin ngayon. And fast break by jersey number 11. Pero huminto, pinasa kay jersey number 7, Padilla. And there's a foul. All right, so there's first foul kay jersey number 29 ng Gab Skill, si Alminiana. And now, si jersey number 8, Limpat, shooting. And first attempt, hindi po pumasok. Alright, fast break po, jersey number 11, shoots and scores! Jersey number 11 is, of course, De Paula ng JBC Armor. 7 minutes on the clock. 7 minutes, 5 seconds to be exact. Umatempt ang Gab Skills to try and get back. No, nakuha ulit. Number 23, block pero foul. Ang score ho natin ngayon, 5 and 4. Good morning ho sa lahat ng mga nagko-comment sa atin ngayon sa ating live streaming account. I'm still trying to get hold of our schedule pero I have been informed that meron nga pong laban ng TNHS today. And first free throw for jersey number 23, Enriquez. Pasok. He tries to get both. No good. And jump ball. Nakakatuwa hong makita na sa mura hong edad ng ating mga kabataan ngayon, nakikita na natin ang kanilang athleticism, ika nga, ano? lalo na sa larangan ng basketball, a sport that we really love, no? And medyo na traveling na ho si jersey number 11, De Paula. Ball goes back to Gab Skills. Jersey number 29. Oop. Rebounded. Nakuha ho ni jersey number 7, Padilla. Drives. Blocked. All right, De Paula tries to inbound the ball. Got by number 67, pero si Vidad, no? And timeout. Timeout, JBC Armor. Score ho natin, 5-5. And we're back. Yes, tayo po ay nagbabalik. If you just tuned in, this is the NBL Pilipinas Youth Tarlac. Labanan ng 10 under semifinals. Gab Skills versus Armor on JBC. We're now on our second quarter with 5 minutes remaining on the clock. Nakuha jersey number 3, Garcia. Ngayon naman po, ayan na. JBC with an attempt to drive pero no good. And score by Taniedo ng Gab Skills. Score now is 5-7. All right, jersey number 23, Enriquez of Gab Skills tries to drive, shoots no good. Rebounded by jersey number 11, De Paula, traveling. Timeout, Gab Skills. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we're back, mga ka-NBL. 3 minutes, 40 seconds remaining for the second quarter between JBC Armor and Gab Skills. And now po, JBC Armor, mga ka-NBL, tries to inbound the ball. De Paula passes it to ayan, basket po ni jersey number 67, Vidad for JBC Armor. Score now is tied at 7-7, pero mukhang 7-9 na. As of course, jersey number 29, Alminiana, shoots the ball. Number 67, Vidad, passes it to ayun. Rebound ay score natin 7-9. Lamang po ang Gab Skills ng 2 points. And timeout. JBC Armor.
Isisigaw ko sa mundo, ako'y kabataang Pilipino, handang pakita sa mundo. Sasabay ako at hindi susi. NBL Youth, NBL Youth, NBL.
Alright, we're back. At ito na nga po ang 10 under semifinal, second quarter ng NBL Pilipinas Youth. Bola po ngayon ng Gab Skills. They are trying to shoot, pero tumama na po sa board. So, bola ho, trying JBC Armor trying to inbound the ball. Ito na po, jersey number 67, Vidad. Chinut, pasok! JBC Armor, jersey number 67, Vidad, ties the game at 9 apiece. Rebound by jersey number 7, Padilla. At nakabawi naman po ang Gab Skills. So now the score is 9-11. Jersey number 29, Alminiana. Drives and shoots, no good. Jump ball. Alminiana tries to drive, passes it to jersey number 23, Enriquez. Jersey number 67, Vidad, passes it pero napasa sa kalaban. Jersey number 29, Alminiana, with a steal and the drive. Pinasa kay jersey number 3, Garcia. No good. Jersey number 7, Padilla. Rebounded, no good. Ball stays with JBC Armor. All right. And that's it for the second quarter.
Isisigaw ko sa mundo, ako'y kabataang Pilipino, handang pakita sa mundo. Sasabay ako at hindi susuko. NBL Youth, NBL Youth, NBL Youth. Ito ang liga ng mga kabataan. NBL Youth, NBL Youth, NBL Youth. Ito ang liga ng kabataan na handa sumabay sa anumang laban. May pangarap na gusto
second half of the ball game. Baka ho nagtataka kayo what these free throws are all about. Meron lang naganap na technical foul kanina. Medyo nagkaroon lang ng kulang ng players kanina ang JBC Armor, no? And they were given the technical kanina. And then now it's JBC Armor on Stern because kulang din po na kanina yung mga pumasok na players for Gab Skills. So now, ang scores natin is 9 for JBC Armor, Gab Skills 13. For JBC Armor, we have jersey number 23, Bermudo, number 6, Kapulong, number 9, Aziz, number 10, Mariano, and number 67, Bidad. For Gab Skills, we have number 10, Manalo, number 9, Rondo, number 24, Ginto, number 29, Paning Batan, and number 14, Lim. Sorry, correction guys, JBC Armor on its number 10 Manalang. Yan, sorry naman. Medyo umiinit na ho ang aksyon towards the second half. Number 10 Manalo tries to drive pero no good. Ayan, shoutout po natin si Mr. Jepoy Laksina ng Don Bosco Technical Institute, Batch 2000. Siya po ay nanonood sa ating live stream ngayon. Sino ba mga paborito niyong players ngayon ng NBL Youth Tarlac? I-comment nyo lang guys. Ayan. Alright. Number 29, Paning Batan. Pasok ang kanyang unang free throw. Now, attempting for a second one. No good for the second attempt. Ball now being brought over the other side by jersey number 23, Bermudo. Bermudo pumunta all the way. Pasok. Gab Skills 14, JBC Armor 11. Lim with the ball. Karoon ng konting skirmish. Attempt by up. At ito ulit si Bermudo. Pinasa kay Kapulong. 8-second violation. Nice defense daw from Gab Skills. Alright, Bermudo with nakuha po niya ang inbound. Wow, crossover by Bermudo. Bermudo tries to shoot. No good. But Bermudo with a steal. Attempts short. Rebound po pa rin ng JBC Armor. Bermudo. Alright, jersey number 6. Kapulong. Back to Bermudo. No good. Rebound by jersey number 9, Aziz. Binalik kay Bermudo. Up and out of bounds. Bola ng Gab Skills. Lim. Inabutan nun sila ng ating 8-second violation. And timeout. Gab Skills. Score 14. Gab Skills. Armor on XJBC 11.
Isisigaw ko sa mundo, ako ay kabataang Pilipino, handang pakita sa mundo. Sasabay ako at hindi susi. NBL Youth, NBL Youth, NBL Youth. Ito ang liga ng mga kabataan. NBL Youth.
And we're back. Fresh from our timeout by Gab Skills. Wala na ho silang timeout. At ngayon, woy! Sayang ang attempt na yun ni Kapulong. Ang swabe nun. Foul by Bermudo. Kaya nga eh. Ito oh. Swabe. Manalo. First shot good. Score po natin ngayon 15-11. 15 Gab Skills. JBC Armor. Armor on JBC 11. Armor on. Tries to bring the ball over. Foul. Foul on jersey number 10, Manalo ng Gab Skills. First personal. First team foul sa second half. Bermudo gets the ball. Binigay kay Vidad who tries to shoot. No good. Yeah, good morning ho sa mga followers natin ngayong araw na ito. Sa mga nagtatanong ho about the TNHS game, yes, meron hong game ang TNHS today. And one. All right, Bermudo gets his third personal foul. Basket counted. Third team foul na rin. Manalo, jersey number 10. Medyo natigil lahat doon. Medyo, end one kasi yun. So, hindi na. Alright. Ayun na nga. So, lahat ho naman nanalo pala today dito sa ating semifinals goes to the national finals. Ayan. So, bola ho ngayon ng Armor on JBC. Uy, steal by number 10 Manalo versus Bermudo. And scores. Ang oras po natin, 4 minutes remaining. Gab Skills 20, JBC Armor 11. Bermudo. Scores. Manalo holding the ball. Pinasa kay number 29, Panigbatan. Attempts no good, Manalo. Pasok. Gab Skills 22, JBC Armor 13. Jersey number 6, Kapulong. No good. Rebound by Aziz. Jersey number 9, binalik kay Bermudo. Binigay kay Kapulong. Binigay kay Vidad. And Vidad scores the ball. (15-22) po ang ating score with Gab Skills. Ice. Kapulong binigay kay Bermudo. Bermudo shoots. And no good. Ito na po, medyo nagkakaroon ng konting. Yan. Kuha niya. Uy, sayang. Bermudo, pasok. We're getting some very good action ngayon pong third quarter of the game with 2 minutes 20 seconds remaining on the clock. Manalo, libreng-libre si jersey number 9, Rondo. And Manalo scores 26-17, lamang po ng siyam ang Gab Skills. Bermudo with the rebound. And sayang pinalitan. Time out.
National final. Ay, sorry. Yung nananalo, pupunta ng national. Sige. Wala kang ipapa-acknowledge.
Isisigaw ko sa mundo, ako ay kabataang Pilipino, handang pakita sa mundo.
Game between Gab Skills
And we're back, ladies and gentlemen, sa ating live streaming with Gab Skills trying to shoot the ball pero bigo, and Bermudo trying to bring the ball over pero hindi po siya napagbigyan. So now we're trying to do it again. This time, success with... Nako, sayang, hindi nakatingin ng kanyang kasangga na si Aziz Manalo. Tries to give the ball over. Kapulong. Bermudo. Pasok. Alright, sa lahat po ng ating mga viewers ngayong araw na ito, asking for the TNHS game, meron ho tayong TNH game. That would be the 4th game of the day. No, so
Isisigaw ko sa mundo, ako'y kabataang Pilipino, handang pakita sa mundo. Sasabay ako at hindi susi. NBL Youth, NBL Youth, NBL Youth. Ito ang liga ng mga kabataan. NBL Youth, NBL Youth, NBL Youth. Ito ang liga ng kabataan na handa sumabay sa anumang laban. May pangarap na gustong abutin, sa itaas ay mahawakan ng biti. Kahit madami.
And once again, good morning mga ka-NBL. This is your NBL Filipinas Youth Tarlac 10 under semifinals. At lado ng mga magwawagi throughout the rest of the day ay magtutungo ho sa ating finals. Nationals, I should say. Nationals. And if you just tuned in, ito po ang laban ng Gab Skills at Armor On x JBC. Shout out ho sa lahat ng mga nanonood sa atin ngayon sa ating live stream. Thank you very much. Pinanonood natin ng mga future stars ng basketball scene ng ating probinsya. We have jersey number 21, si Martin. Oh, no good. Ang attempt ni jersey number 6, Kapulong. Foul. Jersey number 20. Anyway, dinadrive na ho ni Alminyan. Napunta kay jersey number 8. Jersey number 8 is of course Arceo. Bola nakuha ho ng JBC, ngunit hindi ulit. Medyo nagkakaroon tayo ng skirmish. Martin ng JBC. Sinubukang itapon ang bola sa kabila, ngunit wala. Nakuha niya ang rebound. Enriquez, number 23, pinasa kay Alminian, 29, ngunit nakuha ni Martin. There's a chance for a fast break. Pasok! Jersey number 17 ng JBC Armor on. Tabukal with that score. Martin to Bermudo. Pasok. 4-0 run. Timeout. Gab Skills.
Isisigaw ko sa mundo, ako ay kabataang Pilipino, handang pakita sa mundo, sasabay ako at hindi susi. NBL Youth, NBL Youth, NBL.
Jersey number 8, Arceo. Martin proving to be a tower of power for this game. Pinasa kay Kapulong. Kapulong tries to shoot. No good.
Swabe naman pala eh.
Alright, so sa lahat na naman nanonood sa ating live stream, Kapulong is taking 2 free throws. First free throw, no good. Score ho natin, 23-28. 23 ang JBC Armor, Gab Skills 28. Time for the second free throw of the game. Inaayos lamang po ating mga players by our referees. Kapulong. Alright, bola ng Gab Skills. Warning for Gab Skills.
Inulit mo.
Alright, so nice pass from number 17.
Sino nakashoot?
Kapulong with the score. Pinasa ko kay jersey number 12. Jersey number 4. Martin, jersey number 21 with the rebound at siya po ay na-foul. Foul on jersey number 4, Makasyog.
29 viewers. Ilan ba dati? Ilan ba ang average net?
Martin with the inbound. Pinasa po kay number 17. Number 6, Kapulong. Tosses it. Jump ball. Okay. So it was turned over the decision. Inbound na lang ng Gab Skills. Pero nakuha ulit ng JBC. Armor number 23, Bermudo. Medyo natamaan ng konti sa muka. Alright, JBC. Binigay kay Martin. Martin. Foul and scores. All right. Okay, so score by Martin ang score ho natin. Wow, 27-28. With a chance to tie the game, Martin, jersey number 21. Pasok. And we're tied. Deadlock ho tayo. Eto na. Oy! Tumama sa pader. Martin rebounds. Nako. Traveling. Medyo umiinit ang laban with 3 minutes 50 seconds remaining. First game pa lang ho tayo. Nako, wala. Multiple attempts ng Gab Skills, wala. Martin grabs the ball. Napunta kay Tabukal. Jersey number 17. Shoots, block. Nakuha. Oh. Nice hustle. Pero bola ng Gab Skills at timeout ay tinawag ng JBC Armor.
Isisigaw ko sa mundo, ako ay kabataang Pilipino, handang pakita sa mundo. Sasabay ako at hindi susi. NBL Youth, NBL Youth, NBL Youth. Ito ang liga ng mga kabata. NBL Youth, NBL Youth, NBL.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back from our timeout ng JBC Armor. We're tied 28-28. Ganda sana pasa pero nakuha ni Bermudo. In-attempt ipasa kay Kapulong pero nakuha ng Gab Skills at may foul kay jersey number 6, Kapulong. Gab Skills with the ball. Pinasa, jersey number 10. Hindi, no good. Pero nakuha ni jersey number 4, Makasyog. 30-28. JBC Armor throws, no good. Nakuha. Martin umatempt pero hindi po nakuha. Wow. Kapulong. And a foul. Last 1 minute and 52 seconds sa tayo. And with these two free throws, may pag-asa po ang JBC Armor na maitabla ang ating laban this fourth quarter. Pasok. Tabukal makes his first of two free throws. Tabukal shoots the second one, no good. Pero the team trying to get the ball. But it's a foul instead. Martin with his foul. Bautista tries to drive and shoot, no good. And jersey number 12, Bautista, will try to shoot for two. Both teams under penalty. Under 2 minutes. 1 minute 39 na po ang oras natin. Bautista doesn't make the first throw. May isa pa siyang pagkakataon na ilayo ng konti ang kanilang lamang. 29-30 ang ating score. Bautista. No good, but they get their own rebound. Gab Skills shot by 29. No good pa rin. Kuha pa rin nilang rebound. Kanila 3 seconds violation. Martin binigay kay jersey number 17 Tabukal. Napunta ho sa Gab Skills ang bola. Number 29, Alminian. Number 10, jersey number 10 is Manalo. Making the shot. Nakuha ni number 12, Bautista. And was fouled. Score ho natin 29-32 with 1 minute, 5 seconds remaining. All right, so Bautista makes the first of two, 29-33. Gab Skills leading the game. Second attempt, no good. Nakuha ni Bautista. Pero naibigay niya rin kay Bermudo. Bermudo tries to shoot. Wala. Oras po natin, 50 seconds. 47 seconds remaining. With 10 seconds to shoot. Blocked by Martin. 25 seconds and a foul. All right. So we're still live at 23 seconds na lamang po ang natitira. Both teams on penalty. Tabukal will try to shoot 2 free throws. He makes the first one. So that brings them to 30. To 33. Ayan. So, technical free throw itong yung kanina. Yung sa JBC Armor. And then ito pong free throw na nakikita nyo, yes, penalty. Kaya 2 shots po tayo. Jersey number 10, no good. 20 seconds on the game. Timeout. Timeout, JBC. And we're back, ladies and gentlemen. Again, magandang umaga ho sa inyo lahat. This is the NBL Youth Tarlac game between Gab Skills and Armor On X JBC. Fourth quarter na po, down to its final seconds actually. 19 seconds na lamang po at lamang ang Gab Skills 33, JBC Armor 30. Inbound by Martin ng JBC. Foul. Penalty. Jersey number 8, Arceo. Wow, free 3. NBL rules. No? So 3 free throws pala to, guys. So 3 free throws. $32. 31. And a foul. 3 seconds remaining. Timeout. Gab Skills. All right, so we're back. 3 seconds on the clock. 32, JBC Armor. Gab Skills, 33. Medyo ang ganda ho ng habulang nagaganap between the two teams. Pero ngayon, Bautista has a chance na ilayo ang kanyang kupungan, and he does. 34 or 32. With 3 seconds on the clock. Paano kaya may execute ng JBC Armor ang isang last second salvo sana? Let's see. They either have a chance to tie the game or masundot. Depende sa tirang ito ni Bautista. And he makes it. And I think that is it. Ang score ho natin, 32-35.
Isisigaw ko sa mundo